Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tina Agustina from Accountancy Class C. This time I will presentation about Petehin internalization of holding hotel in the new normal era. Okay, this is from Ina Hotel and Resort to Hotel Indonesia Group. Abstract. This study I am to determination the level of readiness of Hotel Indonesia Nature holding with Hotel Indonesia property in the new normal era, in the new life order or new normal era, which is marked by major or fundamental change in the order to survive and remain competitive in business and into industrial competition. There is no other choice for every company to develop an implementary method, pattern, new attitude, behavior, and work culture in addition to implementing health produce and protocol in the disciplined manner. Okay, what is PT Hotel Indonesia Natur? PT Hotel Indonesia Natur is a state-owned enterprise BUMN which is engaged in hospitality service and now has the business or commercial name Ina Hotel and Resort. He implement the 2017 and 2021 corporate the transformation program in the line with the assignment given by the Ministry or HOS, where on September 28, 2016, the Minister of SOAS, Rini Soemasno, from consolidation of all hotel owned by SOAS in the Hotel Indonesia Group Synergy, where he was appointed as coordinator. He has have 14 hotel and resort in Bali, Java, and Sumatra, namely Inaya Putri Bali, Grand Ina Kuta, Grand Ina Padang, Grand Ina Bali Beach, Grand Ina Malioboro, Grand Ina Tunjangan, Grand Ina Samudra Beach, Grand Ina Medan, Ina Bali Beach Garden, Ina Bali Beach Resort, Ina Tretes and Resort, Ina Parapat Hotel and Resort, Ina Sindu Beach Hotel and Resort, and Ina Bali Heritage Hotel. Background theory is new normal is a change in behavior or habit. Continue the carry out activities as usually, but always implementing health protocol in the mind of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is government official recommended that we can live side by side with a virus that has claimed hundreds of thousands of lives around the world. Since the COVID-19 pandemic emerged, almost everyone has experienced obstacles to lead a new normal life due the restrictions that need to taken to prevent transmission of the coronavirus. However, with the end of their restriction, the government recommended that we start carry out activities as usually, of course, while adhering to the COVID-19 prevention protocol. This unquote used to be more aggressive in implementing basic COVID-19 prevention measures such as washing hands with soap and running water with hand sanitizer, no touching or pass with unwashed hands. On theory, for hospitality and the new normal, traveler and guests will make safety and hygiene measure a priority when choosing their accommodation, and they will demand that our client hotel implement strict cleaning protocol to deal with the coronavirus. Flexibility is one the most important aspect when booking. Method. The method used in preparing in the literacy index is missing method, which is method that combination qualitative and quantitative method. Qualitative method are applied by studying the relevant literature from previous studies to get an initial concept to produce a hospitality literacy index indicator. The concept, research and result discussion. The description of the research relate to refocusing the effectiveness and impact of holding from the internal performance of Grand Ina Samudra Beach in the holding process. Following a circular from the relevant ministry, the holding event in the new normal post-pandemic era, so that all staff, including the director, have the extra challenge of having refocused the post-pandemic situation and start the holding process simultaneously by always complying with the health protocol set by the government as an effort. The process of prevention and affair with the central and local government from the government as a effort. The process prevention and evolve with central and local government from profession and valises economic condition. It is impossible to predict when this pandemic will end. Conclusion. Based on the result of the research conducted and based on the discussion that have been put forward regarding the effectiveness of the internal control system and Grand Ina Samudra Beach is a subsidiary of PT HIN, the holding process with PT HIPRO. 1. The internal control system implemented by Grand Ina Samudra Beach unit is good because its implementation has been carried out accordance with the element in the standard operational procedure that have been determined. The inability of employees in housekeeping, report, approval, and administrative produce make the inability of employee in housekeeping, report, approval, and administration procedure make the content in the financing statement may not be in accordance with the instruction given. Suggestion. As from some suggestion that the author can give relate to the result of the research and discussion above are follow. 1. The internal control system at Grand Ina Samudra Beach unit expected to be more maintained to that effectiveness of achieving organization performance can be more optimal. 2. There needs to be serious attention from the leadership related to the quality of human resource, especially in the field of accounting and housekeeping, when the recruitment of instruments must be met by devices that understand the problem. 3. Synergy is more optimal between the head office, general manager, and staff to really ensure that the SOPs that have been provided are actually implemented to achieve the common goals of providing the best service to guests, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, where people are very affected, and maintain security and confine in activity. I think enough. Thank you for your attention. I'm so sorry if so many mistakes in this presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.